Today we're going to be doing a video for a foundation review. It is a very, very viral foundation, and honestly, if it does everything that it says it's going to do, I can see why. So today we are going to be reviewing and trying on the Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation from Anastasia. And we are going to demo that on the face for y'all so you can see me put it on. And yeah, so let's jump into it. Really quick, if you are new here, hello, I am Josie. I post videos about life, beauty, SFX, lifestyle, pretty much anything that's in the beauty world. So if you like that, please hit that subscribe button and join the Glam Fam, and let's jump into this video. All right, so this is the Impeccable foundation from Anastasia. Impeccable foundation delivers medium to full long-lasting coverage with a natural velvet matte finish. Using precision blur technology, it blurs pores and imperfections while hyaluronic acid hydrates and soothes the skin. Get seamless, flawless coverage that wears comfortably for 12 hours. All right, this is $46, so definitely up there in price. You do get 1.18 fluid ounces, and that's it. So I'm gonna go in with a primer that I absolutely love and I know will work because it works with me on every foundation. This is the Clinique Even Better Pore Defining Primer. This is like a cooling, less thick version of Tarte's Maracuja Blurring Primer. It looks thick when you take it out of the bottle, but it really does just like melt into the skin and it doesn't feel thick at all. All right, primer on. Let's jump into this foundation. So when we open this, it looks like so. Very luxurious, very like, it's like a cloudy glass, very nice texture. I do love the cap on it, very reflective. So it does feel and look very high end. Of course, it's Anastasia. They do everything amazingly. I love the packaging and the feel of the products usually. So this is what it looks like. I am in the shade 0CR. I will say I did think that the lightest shade is definitely not going to be the lightest for the lightest of skin tones, because usually I'm around like shade 5 or 6 in a foundation line and I am shade 2, and shade 1 was a little bit like yellowy for me. This one is the cool red one. So if you are super fair, I would say go in and try it on before you make a purchase online or order it online, just to make sure that it's going to work with your skin tone. With that being said, I do think that this line has a really good range of undertones and skin tones in it. I think there's around 20 or 25 shades. I think 25 shades, which is a pretty good launch in my opinion. But other than that, let's jump into this video. All right, I have a little palette here. We're gonna put a couple pumps on this. I'm gonna pick that up with my sponge and we are going to just put a couple dots around our face. Ooh, all right, let's blend this. Oh my gosh. Okay, right away, that is some serious coverage. Oh my goodness, that's nice. Ooh. That was a very light layer. Wow, that's very nice. And I can already feel that it's going to be a comfortable wearing foundation because it's not tightening on my face as it dries. We're going to go in and just put a little bit more, see how it layers on top of itself on the cheeks, because that's where I am the reddest. Guys, that's really pretty. I can't take my eyes right now because they're so such a different tone. I'm just gonna run a little bit over them. Okay, I just would like to say one thing. I don't have any concealer on, like none. I have not applied any concealer, which to me, that is a great coverage for just like 1.5 layers. That's even the first layer was amazing. All right, so now that we have this applied, I'm going to add some concealer because I just feel like that's what I would do anyway. I am going to be going in with the Soft Matte Concealer Makeup Revolution in Real Life Filter Finish. This is one of my favorites and I know it works for me, so that's why I'm doing it today. There we go. Go in with that same blender and just blend this out. Pop some on the top of my eyes. All right, looks really good. Okay, let's set this. I'm gonna be going in with my regular setting powder. I am using the Laura Mercier Rose setting powder. It has a slightly, very slightly pink undertone. And just a light set everywhere else. That looks really good. All right. My face is set. Let's talk about how it feels. It feels great. It doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel like it's taking forever to dry. And it also didn't dry too fast while I was trying to blend it out, which is very, very important when it comes to, you know, doing your makeup. Like, how fast is it going to dry? How fast do you have to work? This was a good in between. It also feels literally nothing is coming off with just pressing. I did set my face, but even before I set, I can tell that this is like a foundation that sets completely down, like all the way, and it's not going to rub off easily. It's not tightening on the skin. It's not too dry when it comes to matte. That's kind of hard to do. And it also looks very natural. It doesn't look super drying, and which is what I kind of look for in a foundation. Literally gorgeous. It looks gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup and then come and tell you my final thoughts. I'm gonna be doing a lot today, so I'm probably gonna be filming for like 2 hours. So it's gonna be a while. Like, there's gonna be a big gap in between from now and when you guys see me next. So I guess that's a good thing. So I am going to finish my makeup. All right, guys. So this is it. This is my finished look. I did a really simple everyday wear look today, and it looks pretty good. It's very blurring. Again, it's still very comfortable, and it's not peeling up in the regular sections that my foundation would regularly peel up if it wasn't a great foundation. It is very blurring. It actually feels nice to the touch. Feels like I have nothing on in like literal sense, and also like me touching it does not feel like I have foundation on. I'm gonna give this a really, guys, go get it. If you honestly just go try it out. It's really, really amazing. It's honestly, it might be one of my favorite foundations. It's very blurring. All right, well, that is it for this video. If you did like it, please give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam. And I'll see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.